Something takes a bite of me. Somebody take a bite out of me. Because they just did. Somebody took a bite of me. Hey Darren, how you doing? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? I'm just on here on this early Friday. It's another Friday and another day in the life of Mama Joy Joy. Mama Joy Joy! My little loggy! I don't know where little loggy's at. Oh yeah, she's over with Cherie. Where she needs to be. Oh, nobody wants to talk to me. Nobody wants to give 5 minutes of their time for me. I'm too ugly for nobody to want to be with. Nobody likes me. My name is Scott Miller, and I'm on here trying to holler at women I don't even know. They just don't want to talk to me. They don't want to give 1 minute of their time. They say they're busy, but I don't believe them. They just don't want to talk to me. They don't want a damn thing to do with me. I swear, if I can't find a woman to talk to me, I'm gonna go kill myself. Yep. If I can't find anybody who want to talk to me, I'm gonna go jump off the 2nd Street Bridge. My name is Scott Miller. And then that Joy didn't want to talk to me. She didn't want to give me the time of day. And then I tried to talk to this friend of hers, Melanie, and she wanted to spoil that for me. Melanie blocked me and everything. Yep. Sure did. Boy. There's a tear in my beer. That's the name. That's the last name. Beer. What kind of name is that, Darren? I'm gonna try to go see Black Panther. I mean, if I'm late getting out, I'm late getting out. My little squirt ain't wanting to go see it with me. His little butt had to help himself to $20. Little sweetheart. He's a little sweetheart. Sun's coming in. I'll be back after these messages. Oh no, I Hey, I was asking, what would you think if somebody accidentally farted on my video? I wonder if it's ever happened to anybody, you know? You're just on video and all of a sudden you squeeze out something, you don't even forget you're on video or it's an accident. But yeah, I guess most people don't even post shit like that. They say, well, that's garbage. Imagine if somebody just actually posts it. Fixable, fixable, fixable. Fixable.